something. Okay, go ask your dad. Thanks. Okay, it's 9:30 at night and I just now decided that I'm gonna do these. I bought these like 2-3 weeks ago and I still haven't used them. I got them from Walmart, $5. I got 3 of them. I've never used these before, so I don't know. They're really small, but shoot, I just don't know how many I'm gonna need, so I bought 3 of these. Did I say they're $5 already? They're $5. Walmart. But I'm pretty sure you can get them anywhere. So this is what they look like. Oh, so the top comes off like that. So you're gonna roll and then put this on. So I was just gonna start, but I think I'm gonna maybe like co-wash my hair. So I just co-washed my hair. I washed my hair a couple days ago, but I used the gel and I just didn't feel like, I didn't want it to be flaky just in case, so I had to co-wash it real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna section my hair. Do this much, it's not too much. Let's just test it and see how that goes. So it comes with pink and purple, and are they the same size? It's a little thicker in the middle, but I don't really think it matters. I'll do the pink ones on the bottom. Okay, so let's just see how it is. I'm gonna put product in and brush it out, blah, 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 blah. Let's just try it. So I think this is how it's gonna go. And then, I think that's good. Okay, that works. Okay, that was just a trial run. Oh shoot. What the hell? So it's like, how do you say? It's like little spikes. I don't know. That's why I got stuff. I am gonna use the Miel leave-in conditioner. This is the Hawaiian Ginger. I've never used this line, so let's see. Just gonna use a little bit. Oh, I can smell it now. It's like a fresh scent. I don't know. I don't need it to be like soaking wet because then it's just gonna take forever to dry. It just needs to be damp. These kids are so loud, bro. I'm also gonna be using the Hawaiian Ginger from Miel. I think it's Miel, but I don't know. This is the moisturizing hair butter. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Eco Style gel. I feel like every time I use gel with the cream, it's just a really good combination because it just gives it that hold. So yeah, I haven't used Eco Style in a minute. Okay, so let's put this on here. I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna try to roll it all the way up to my root so that it's tight. this method. When I get to the top, trying to twist it around a couple times because it's just not tight to my scalp like I would like it to be. There we go. Okay. Even though I put it on, I'm still gonna twist it. Okay. Okay, that took me a while, but I think I was just trying to figure out everything, taking my time. It's now 11 o'clock. I started at like 9:30, right? Was it 9:30 that I started? I think that's what I said. Anywho, so that was an hour and a half. It probably shouldn't have taken that long, but you know, I was still trying to figure things out. And then I kind of don't like that when I get to the top, it's kind of loose. I tried to twist it around so that it's not as loose, but that didn't really seem to work. But I mean, I don't think it's gonna look bad. I might get the silk cloth and wrap it around. I'm gonna sleep with it and then we'll see if it's dry in the morning. It might take a while. Sometimes, like if I do a twist out or something, it sometimes isn't 100% dry in the morning. So I might have to use a blow dryer maybe. We'll just see. Okay. Okay, so I have some concerns. One thing I kind of don't like, but it's probably because I just didn't do it neatly when I did it last night. But as I'm like taking it out, because you know, like I said, there's kind of like a Velcro kind of, I don't know how to explain, but that's something that it's similar to. But while I'm taking it out, it's kind of getting stuck and it's pulling some of my hair. But then again, like I said, it could be my fault because I should have parted my hair first and did it more neatly. Maybe that would have made a difference. So yeah, I kind of don't like that. And then me over here thinking that it's dry because I left it in overnight. Some of it's dry, but some of it's still not. Okay, so see, I'm trying to take it out, but it's kind of stuck. I don't know, it's kind of weird. So you see, my hair is coming off. It's not a lot, I'm not tripping because my hair is always coming out. So that's just for you guys. If you do try it, I would say to part your hair first or as you go, because I didn't part, you know, I was just like, whatever, putting it anywhere. So see, like some are dry, but there are some, so I'm not gonna touch it, I'm not gonna separate it. I am actually gonna probably get my diffuser or blow dryer and leave it and try and dry it before I separate them, so it doesn't get super like frizzy. I don't mind volume and frizz, but I just don't want too much to where you can't even see what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. Again, probably my fault. At least this part is dry. See, the ones that are more, because I did start to part it a little better when I got up here, those I'm not really having a hard time taking down. See, this has no hair at all, because I parted those ones up here and I parted them nicely. Okay, I had to blow dry it for a little bit. Now I'm gonna separate it. Yeah, there's a hack. If you feel like it's not all the way dry, I would probably blow dry before you take it down. But if you take it down and it's still not dry, just leave it as it is, don't touch it, and blow dry. It would probably be better with your diffuser, so you're not like blowing it and it's just going everywhere. So yeah, I would just use a diffuser. You guys, I'm so excited. I love the shrinkage that it gave me. Like, look at this. Like, I can leave my bangs down because it shrunk so much. Like, look at my bangs. They come all the way up here, so I can have them right in the middle. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna have to do this more often. I was going, okay, so before my hair dried, I was going to say, I feel like flexi rods would be better, just so that your hair doesn't get stuck like how it was. But I don't know, these rods just give you like this different kind of curl. I've never really had this look before, but because my hair is so long, it usually doesn't give me like this. I don't know how to explain it. You know what I'm saying? Like this full look. And I feel like once I fluff it out a little bit more, it's gonna be bigger, and I think I'm gonna try and do that. But it is day one, so it's gonna get bigger as the days go on. So I'll probably show you that maybe tomorrow. So we'll see. But I really think that it was worth it. Oh my gosh. I only had to use 2. I did break a few, like I said. It was only like 3 that I broke. So just be very gentle when putting it on. So yeah, I just used 2 bags. I do have a lot of hair, so I guess it just depends on you, but I would get that extra bag just in case you do have some that break. And I feel like it looks so good too with my highlights. I'm like dying to go back to black, but look how cute this is. And let's just try and see how it would look if I put it to the side. Ooh, that's still cute.